Today, every industry is being transformed by technology. The GET program is a unique initiative led by a group of all-female team from prominent industry leaders committed to driving immersive and technical programs for young women.
So when GET came in, it actually helped me on which path I should choose because they had few programs each sessions and like programming and the websites and all that. So by that, I get to know what am my interest on.
I wasn't really familiar with some of the technology, but the way the modules were carried out was really easy to understand. I really liked the AI module the best, as I always thought of AI as something very hard to work with, and it still is. But I ended up implementing it into my GET project, and it was really fun to figure things out.
GET program didn't change any of my perspective in engineering and technology. Instead, it solidified it. Initially, I thought programming and engineering is a distant goal for me. Until I take part in GET program, it gains my confidence and deepen commitment in pursuing a career in programming.
Now, as for the industry players, we need their continued support too. Today, they're providing us many kind of support in terms of mentors, volunteers, and at the same time, they provide site visits and even open their facility to many GET activities. And I think opening their facility allow our students to get a real life feel of what it's like in a day of a life of an engineer.
So when we are going to industry visit, we get the chance to actually communicate with engineers. So when we know their perspective and then we know what is going on with cutting edge technologies and how the market is going, we can actually confidently say, okay, I'm ready to be dive into this sector because engineering has so much fun.
So basically, we collaborate a lot, we throw out ideas on what we are going to do to make sure that these programs sustain. And then we get input a lot, even among our core team. We have our frequent monthly meeting to make sure that what we make this program interesting and to have a new creative idea for the next.
So you can see from the first years that we started now at the 4th year, there's a lot of differences that we have done to the program to make sure we keep the interest in the program itself between the students and the mentors.
Industry player also play an important role, right, to make sure that continue to provide the support in this program, and with the continuity of the support, it will actually help the program to continue to be successful.
Hopefully, graduates in engineering later on in the future, these industry players can provide opportunity for them to be hired in their company.